Hi, Shimmy Shaker, and today I'm going to teach you how to swing our beautiful Saidi cane, also known as our asaya. So this prop is a really beautiful one. You'll see it mainly used in Saidi dancing, which is a style of folkloric dance from Upper Egypt, which is in actually the south of Egypt, but they call it Upper Egypt because that's where the Nile is coming from. So, beautiful cane. If you don't have your own belly dancing cane, you can use a piece of doweling or something nice and light that is about as high as your hip or a little bit higher. So you can see this one a little bit higher. That height is really nice for me. So firstly, how do we hold on to it? You want to keep your fingers with energy, but also quite light. You don't want to be grabbing on, scared that you're going to drop it, but at the same time, you don't want to let go and have it fall. So let's start with our preferred hand. To swing our cane, we're bringing the cane up nice and vertical, holding onto it nice and light, and then we let it drop down. So as we let it drop down, you can see, watch my hand, I'm coming from here, open. So again, from here, open. So I'm twisting my wrist inwards and I'm holding it just in between here. So this is why you want something nice and light, especially if you suffer from bad wrists or you've been sitting at a computer all day. You want to be able to hold it very gently. So I'm just holding it between the base of my thumb and my finger. So let's try again, from the top, coming down. Again, from the top, coming down. When you're doing this one, try and keep your hand at the same level. So you don't want to be dropping your hand down or you don't want to be bringing your hand up. You want to keep your hand at the same level. So if I have my arms straight in front, I'm coming down. You can see this angle here stays kind of similar. It might change a little bit, but kind of similar. So you could see when I was doing that one, the momentum is already swinging the cane back. So when I'm from here, I'm using that momentum and then turning through here. So watch my hand, coming down and then turning back. Nice and slow, coming down, turning my hand back. Coming down, turning back, and then when you're ready, you can speed it up. Coming down, making sure there's no light or chandeliers or anything near you that you can hit, and then keeping it nice and strong, but at the same time relaxed. So there you go, that is our cane swing. Once you get into that, you can then also change the directions. You can do 2 canes, 1 in each hand. If you're changing the direction, same thing. We'll bring that wrist across and over, across and over, and as I drop forward, I'm using that hand as well as the momentum and gravity to drop forward and then coming back. So crossing over and back, over and back. And again, when you do it, you're not really changing the height of your hand. And when I'm bringing it back up, I'm using this part of the hand to push it over to bring it back. So try it. This is forward, this is across. Good. Now it's really good to use energy when you are using your cane. Often you'll see people hitting the floor with their cane. But when you hit the floor, you don't want to be really like tap. You want to be nice and strong, tap. Even though the cane is very light, it will still be strong. You'll be able to feel that momentum, but you will not break your cane. So don't worry about that at all. So as you're coming down, you can see as the cane, following the momentum, following the line of the cane, tap, coming down, tap. And again, as you tap, holding it nice and strong, but still delicately. So there you go, there's some swings with our cane. I hope you enjoy this move. Have a little practice at home. Always make sure you warm up your wrists first and give them a little stretch afterwards, especially if you have sore wrists or weak wrists. And otherwise, enjoy it. Happy Saidi dancing. Hi Shimmy Shaker, I am so excited about our latest choreography. It is a full Saidi routine. Saidi is a really beautiful style of Egyptian dance. It comes from Upper Egypt. It's often danced with a cane or an asaya, and it's really fun because the energy is very upbeat. So if you want to check it out, or if you're looking for a choreography to do for your next performance, whether it be for a solo or a group, whether you want to dance with props or without, whether you're a beginner or more advanced dancer, I give you heaps of options, so it's going to work for you. please check it out on my Patreon page. I will link that below. It's only $25 per month, and as well as getting access to our latest Saidi choreography, you'll also be able to access our full musicality course, which is really helpful for understanding and dancing to Arabic music. You'll also get access to our full veil choreography, which is a really, really beautiful one if you love dancing with silk veils, a drum solo, which is super fun and high energy, and a lovely grounded ballady routine as well. So go and check it out. Let me know what you think, and happy dancing.